Tower, Charlie Uniform Delta, ready to go 3-2 whenever you're able.
Golf Charlie Uniform Delta, Waterloo Tower, negative, standby.
Standing by. Well, everyone decided to get out. I guess I should have got out a little earlier. I just hit the peak of everybody wanting to do circuit.
Papa Zulu Victor Tower, number 2, traffic is short final.
Number 2 looking for the traffic call, Papa Zulu Victor.
Anyway, hopefully we can get a few in here. If not, I can always swip over to Guelph and try some there. It looks like it's clearing a little bit to the east anyway, so we'll have to see. If I can get 10 circuits in here today,
Uniform Zulu Zulu Tower, clear touch and go, runway 32.
That would be great.
Clear touch and go, Uniform Zulu Zulu.
Horn, Maple 2 with Golf.
Foxtrot Tango Uniform, Waterloo ground, squawk code 5317, standby.
Takeoff will be 10:18. Make sure I record that on the paper. Full rich.
Charlie Uniform Delta Tower, follow Cessna ahead in the circuit, clear takeoff, runway 32.
Clear takeoff 32, and I'm confirming right hand, correct?
Affirmative.
Waterloo ground.
Golf Foxtrot Victor Tower, right turn 30 degrees, faster traffic departing behind it.
Golf 56, correct.
Charlie Uniform Delta Tower, recycle your transponder. Golf Whiskey Sierra Lima Tower, traffic ahead is turning slightly to the right. Contact Toronto 128.27 airborne, clear takeoff runway 32.
Okay, traffic in sight. We'll contact Toronto 1 airborne. Whiskey Sierra Lima is clear for takeoff runway 32.
Waterloo Tower, Uniform Zulu Zulu, right downwind, runway 32, requesting touch and go.
Uniform Zulu Zulu Tower, number 2, follow Cessna traffic, half mile final.
Traffic in sight, Uniform Zulu Zulu.
Golf Foxtrot Victor Tower, confirm you do have that low wing traffic ahead of you in the downwind.
Affirmative, I'm just inside Golf 56.
Sure. Yankee Hotel November Tower, surveillance service terminates, change of route frequency.
Thank you, Hotel November. Switching frequencies, and we're just going to be staying at 3000.
Sure. Papa Zulu Victor Tower, clear to land runway 32.
Clear to land 32, call Papa Zulu Victor.
Foxtrot Tango Uniform, Waterloo ground, say request.
Moving uniform request, taxi to the runway for the active for a simulated Waterloo 3 departure, go to 3000, then destructive for a simulated hold. Watch uniform.
Charlie Uniform Delta, will they right downwind, touch and go 3-2.
Charlie Uniform Delta Tower, number 2, follow Cessna traffic, right base. Traffic
in sight, Charlie Uniform Delta.
Foxtrot Tango Uniform ground, runway 32, taxi Bravo, contact tower 12601 ready.
No, I just noticed I'm missing the faceplate on that compass thing. I have to look for it in the cockpit. Not now, though. Get our speed stabilized. We've got Rit.
Charlie Uniform Delta Tower, clear touch and go, runway 32.
Charlie Uniform Delta. And then when the runway's made, carpet in. We still have the boost pump on, full rich.
Foxtrot, Tango Uniform, Waterloo Terrace, standby.